Namaste and welcome to day 7 of Mindful 30 journey. Today's practice is about balance. Well, the balance is not just about balancing yourself in all the postures that we're going to try to do today, but also trying to balance in the extremities of life where we struggle to make a decision, where we struggle to choose. Where all these places, let's try to get our experience of today's practice beyond the mat. Yes, I'm going to give you as many options as I can, and you try to choose the option which is comfortable for you, accessible for you in this practice. With that, let's get started by standing into a very comfortable position. Your legs can be wide, your hands are relaxed. Have a gentle, beautiful smile on your face, welcoming this day. From here, let's just get our palms together, join our palms, roll the shoulders back, and let's chant Om sound together after the next inhalation. Inhale. With a beautiful intention in your heart and mind, gently relax your hands. We'll start with standing, okay? I want you to get on the top of your mat and find one spot that you can lock your gaze at, or maybe come back to it. Every time you try to come back to center, try to have your gaze locked at that spot that you decide for yourself right now. From there, you're going to bring your left knee to the chest. Keep it closer to your chest. Roll the shoulders back and chest relax. As you stay there, let your body relax. Wherever I am, I feel the harmony of balance. This beautiful balance of life. This beautiful trust towards your body and intention in your heart. From there, slowly release the leg, and same thing on the right leg. So take your right knee to the chest, balance, simple, right? We're doing simple things. Shoulders down, knees to the chest, relax your body, see if you want to bring it closer to you. Trusting yourself, the more you wobble in today's practice, that means the more effort you're putting, the more you're trying. So embrace all the wobbles and slowly release. We're going to try a very simple practice. Again, my agenda is to challenge you today. If you're feeling challenged, keep up with me, alright? Inhale, bend the knees, take your arms all the way up. Look up at your thumb. Stay there and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, twist your both palms towards your left. Yes, with a good smile, try to bring your chest towards your palms. That's it. Inhale, go back into chair pose, Utkatasana. Exhale, twist on the right. Same thing, trying to bring the chest in front of the palms. Shoulders down, face relax. Inhale, back into chair. Exhale, release. That is beautiful. Again, inhale, bend the knees, arms up. Exhale, this time you twist on the left. Twist on the right. Yes. From here, shift the weight entirely on the right and see if you can take your left heel off the floor and balance there. Keep trying. Few attempts. Once you find the comfort, slowly get the legs back, get the arms up and relax. Same thing on the other side. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, twist to the left. Shift the weight on the left and try to lift up the right heel off the floor. Yes, take your time to find that balance you want, with the knees closer or away from you. Lock a gaze and it really helps you. Trusting yourself is very important. Slowly inhale, arms up. Exhale, release. If you doubt yourself before we even begin, there's no way we're going ahead of it. So believe in yourself, manifest it. Inhale, bend the knees, arms up. Exhale to the right. Shift the weight on the right. I promise the balance will just keep getting better once you find the practice, once you trust yourself. Be just here, just a little bit. Just keep tapping the floor till you find it for yourself. Yes. Slowly get the knees back, arms up. Exhale, release. That's going good. Inhale, bend the knees, arms up. Exhale to your left. Just try to lift up the toes. That's it. Don't take your legs way further back. You have the option to keep your toes tapping on the floor till you find the balance, or taking it back depending on where your balance is today. A balance is very much related to what's going on in the head, what's going on in our minds and thoughts. Slowly inhale, come back up. Exhale, release. That is beautiful. Let's do it one last time. Inhale, bend the knees, arms up. Whew. Exhale, twist to the right. Shift the weight on the right. Find the balance. And see if you can straighten that leg as behind as you can. Try. The more you fall, the more you're trying. Don't ever run or escape from falling or wobbling. Wobble will teach you a lot more about you. A little bit more, and slowly inhale, come back. Whew. Exhale to the left. This is going well, huh? Slowly inhale, lift up. Find that balance. One side will always be different than the other. Never be scared of showing that vulnerable side of yours. This practice is for yourself, not to prove anything to anyone, but to dive into a journey for yourself. So feel free to fall, to wobble. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, release. Don't have any set of expectations with your body, because it's not nice to have expectations without putting the work in it. Okay, from here, we're going to come back to center. Bring your left knee to the chest. Now you can choose to stay here, or you can keep your hands behind the knee, under the knee. Yes. If this is too easy for you, you can straighten the legs, wherever it is. I'm going to give you one more option. You can choose to take your hands as ahead as you can and take your legs lower, head lower, sorry. Breathe. Find that balance for yourself. Inhale, slowly come back up. Whoops. Yeah, I'm not afraid of showing you my wobbles. Bring the knees back to chest and now take it back. Yes. Slowly. Try to find that balance in Warrior 3. For me, as a personal individual, I personally find balances super challenging for me. But that is what inspires me to work on them. And inhale, come back, knees to chest. And exhale, release. That was amazing. Let's do other side now. I'm just going to turn. You don't need to turn actually. Bring your right knee to the chest. Option 2, under the knee. Option 3, grab your heel, extend and take your body down. Slowly take your legs back. The floor is lower. Don't let the other leg touch the floor. Yeah. Good. Find that balanced Warrior 3. Have a good smile on your face for the efforts you're putting here. Have a joyful process and you'll love the journey. Inhale, bring the knees to chest. Arms up. And exhale, release. Close your eyes and just breathe. Good. As you're standing there, get your hands on the waist, legs together, and lift up. Yes, lift up that heel. Just stay. I always believe that all these videos that I'm doing, it's just not for all the viewers, but also for myself. This is my practice that I'm enjoying and practicing and sharing with you all. So yes, I'm not afraid of showing all my weak sides, all my weak points. I want to embrace it with you all. Yes? So have fun with it. Breathe. We're not striving for perfection, we're striving for balance. We're striving for progress over anything else. Almost there. Now you're going to take your hands ahead. Keep their heels up. Don't let the heels drop. Bend the knees and see how low you can go, as much as you can. Stop to your maximum. And inhale, come up. It's really nice. Keep the heel up, keep the heel up. Exhale down. Inhale up, don't sit. Woo. Keep that heel up, come on, let's go. Okay. And up. 2 more, I promise. Exhale. Inhale. Last one. Hold it first down. 5, 4, almost there. 3, shoulders down, relax. 2, and 1. Stand up straight. Keep the heel up, heel up, heel up. And release. Whoo! That was so good. Alright, just stretching out that back of the leg. So keep your left leg ahead, right leg back. Take your toes up and try to go down. Bend this knee. Bend the back knee. And slowly come up. We're going to do 5 times. Down and up. 2 and up. 3 and up. 4 up. Last one. 5 and up. If you see, I wasn't rounding my back. My intention was to keep the back straight. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Pick your toes up, bend the back knee and go down. 1, 2, good. 3, 4, hold the 5th one. Smile, enjoy. Slowly inhale up, release, legs together. Just come down, sit down, close your eyes, just breathe here for literally 3 breaths with me. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. That was beautiful. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I hope you had a good time balancing. And I hope you're able to take this off the mat. Let's take everything from this practice beyond our mats in our life. I request you to lie down and rest for at least 2 to 5 minutes if you can. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful day ahead.